Hello friends and welcome to yet another video on TutorialsPoint with me Richa. Today we are going to talk about workplace wellness. Well, in any corporate industry nowadays, it's important for an employee to be physically as well as mentally fit. If an employee is physically fit, he is also mentally stable and able to perform his duties and responsibilities in the right manner. Let us take a look at the agenda for this particular module. We will talk about what is the exactly meaning of workplace wellness. We will also talk about factors which promote wellness program. We will also talk about benefits of having wellness programs. And lastly, we will take up a look at certain examples of workplace wellness. So friends, what exactly do we mean by the word workplace wellness? Workplace wellness in any workplace health promotion activity or organization policy designed to support the healthy behavior in the workplace and to improve the health outcomes. It is just to mean that any company or organization would like to invest in some kind of activities which will make their employees more healthier and hence more mentally productive at their workplace. Well, certain wellness programs. A wellness program is an organized program to assist and support the workers in establishing healthier lifestyles. Today, a lot of people don't really take care of their health so much. However, corporate really tries to make sure that we include many wellness programs so that an individual or an employee starts paying attention to their health. Such programs may include increasing the employee awareness on health topics, scheduling behavioral change programs, and establishing cooperation policies that support health-related goals. Let's look at what are certain benefits of having a wellness program. Well, worksite wellness strategies have been shown to lead to a cost saving for a company. If your employees are more healthier, they are likely to be actually a cost saving device for your organization. A review of 42 studies have demonstrated that the workplace health promotion programs can lead to at least a 25% reduction in absenteeism, so less people will be absent at workplace. Healthcare cost and disability or some kind of compensation cost is also reduced by making use of these wellness programs. Let's take a look at certain promoting of wellness programs. Well, there are 4 factors which promote the wellness program success. The first one is effective communication strategies. It's important to understand that communication is one of the most important parts or skills of any employee today. Hence, how it helps is broad outreach and clear messaging from organizational leaders, especially for those organizations with a large and geographically dispersed workflows, is necessary to ensure the success of this particular program. Your leaders need to walk the talk, and if a company is located in a very geographically diverse way, in different cities and countries, it's important in order it will help you in having a better or effective communication. Secondly, the important factor is opportunity for employees to engage. If a particular company or organization or a corporate decides to indulge into such corporate wellness or workplace wellness programs, it helps in the employees to really engage with each other, and it also helps them to connect better and bond, build rapport with their co-colleagues. Leadership engaged at all levels. Another factor is that if a workplace wellness program really is able to do the wonders, it happens because leaders are people who people look up to, and the leaders need to walk the talk and make sure that they are incorporating healthy lifestyle themselves. Then only are the junior people going to follow them. Let's take a look at the next one, which is continuous evaluation. Well, organization approach wellness with a continuous quality improvement attitude. So hence it becomes imperative that employees give their feedback about a workplace wellness program which has happened. They need to come back saying that they have liked the program or what is the quality and what could be certain things that they need improved on for that particular program. So continuous improvement also helps in workplace wellness programs for the near future again. Well, certain programs which can be as an example of workplace wellness. The first one is on-site fitness center. A lot of corporates, the bigger players in banks and many other e-commerce domain specific companies, etc., engage in having a fitness center or a gym inside their working office or environment. Second is smoking cessations programs. So they have certain programs which will help people to quit smoking, because ultimately if you are smoking heavily, what happens is that your energy levels goes down, as well as it affects your overall productivity at workplace. The third one is transit options, which means that encouraging alternate methods of transportation such as bike sharing or public transit incentives. These certain ways by corporates also helps in the workplace wellness programs. Fourth is paramedical services. Like companies like Google and Boeing offer paramedical services like massage therapies to their team members while they are at work. This definitely helps the employees to relax themselves and to be in a better frame of mind to become more productive at workplace. The next certain examples are yoga classes. A lot of employers nowadays are looking at yoga as a way of really making one a peaceful employee at workplace, and hence they start, they come up with many classes or sessions either early in the morning or late evening after the employees have finished work. Such yoga classes help people to rejuvenate themselves. Next is lunch and healthy snacks options at their canteen or cafeteria is something that people again support. Certain naps sessions are organized in some of the companies like Facebook and Zappos and Asana example. They all have certain rooms which are dedicated for people to take a nap, especially a power nap after lunch. When you feel a little lethargic and lax, companies in fact encourage you to go to the nap room and take a quick 15-20 minute nap, which will help you to rejuvenate while coming back at workplace. Sixth is weight loss challenges. Some of the corporates again indulge into certain challenges like weight loss challenge, which helps the employee to become a little more physically active. Well friends, that brings us to the conclusion on this particular module on workplace wellness. Trust me, nowadays corporates are really doing a lot for the employees so that the employees are physically and mentally fit and perform better at workplace. And it's not just a selfish motive which is done from that point of view. Corporates generally want their employees to have a happier work-life balance and also be able to manage their stress better. Because of all these factors and reasons, workplace wellness programs have become a big hit in today's time of rat race culture that we are living in. Well, I do hope you have enjoyed listening to this particular module on workplace wellness. Keep watching, keep sharing and liking our videos. Thank you once again.